breath, right before the breath is delivered, every breath has a small negative deflection. Again, that's telling us that every breath is a patient-triggered breath. And then on the right side of the screen, showing us the same kind of thing, just illustrating it a little bit and just a bit of a closer view. So you can see at the A label in the lower corner of that other graph, that's where our patient effort occurs. When we talk about settings, the ventilator settings, obviously there are certain things that we have to tell the machine to do, and then there are certain things the machine will do on its own based on the input we provide. So in pressure ventilation, actually, as we're comparing the two columns, you can see that there are only 2 bullet points that deviate. We set, for the most part, again, this is very basic. We're not talking about our more advanced modes. These are basic pressure and volume control modes. You can see that on the pressure side, we're setting a peak inspiratory pressure and an inspiratory time, while on the volume side, we set our tidal volume and inspiratory flow, remembering that when we're in a pressure mode, the volume is the dependent variable, and when we're in the volume mode, the pressure is the dependent variable. So after we've set our machine, now we're going to look at the feedback the patient gives the machine. So we have measured values, and these measured values are going to tell us a great deal about what's going on with our patient. So am I in a pressure or volume mode, and what am I going to be evaluating? What do I need to see to gauge my patient's condition? So I will be measuring the peak inspiratory pressure, which is the highest pressure measured in the lungs, the plateau pressure, which is the end inspiratory